Very good morning students and welcome back in the online teaching of science. See students, we were there on the chapter number 13, Fun with Magnet, on the page number 128. So in our previous video we have done the activity 2. In that activity 2 I had given you some homework, right? That you have to, whatever the things attached to the magnet, you have to check whether it's made up of plastic, whether it's made up of iron, and that all things. And I hope that all of you make the table and made the table and you have checked. So let's begin with the activity 3. Activity 3, rub a magnet in the sand or soil. Pull out the magnet. Are there some particles of the sand or soil sticking to the magnet? Now gently shake the magnet to remove the particles of the sand or soil. Are some particles still sticking to it? Thus might be a small pieces of iron filings picked from the soil. See what they are telling that? See what they are telling that? They rub the magnet in the sand or a soil. Then after pull out the magnet from the sand and soil, and then after check some of the particles were sticking to the magnet or not. Then shake the magnet and remove the particles from it. Still some of the particles were sticking to the magnet. That means it's a iron filing. Through such an activity we can find out whether the soil or a sand from a given place contains the particles that have iron. See, while doing this activity we will come to know that whether the place from where we have taken the sand or soil, it's having the iron in it or not. Try this activity nearby your home, school, or the place where you visit on your holidays. See what they are telling that you can do this activity nearby your home, at school, or the place we visit in our holidays. Does the magnet with iron filings sticking to it? Then after doing the activity, what we have to check whether the iron filing is sticking to the magnet or not. Look like any one of the shown in the 13.6. See, when you will do that activity, you will get these three things. None is sticking to this one. That means the soil or sand is not having any iron filings in it, particles in it. A very few and many of the iron filings. Okay. Then after, here we are having a table 13.2. See students, again I am giving you this table in the homework. You have to you can check it nearby your home or by the place anywhere where you visit, and you have to say that whether you are getting the many iron fillings or few or none. Okay, that you have to write in this. See what they are telling that if you fill this table and send it to the Paheli and the Bujo, they can compare the amount of the iron fillings found in soil from different parts of the country. They can share this information with you. See what they are telling that they are just talking about the Paheli and the Bujo, but one thing we can do this activity and we can share with our friends whether they are getting more iron fillings from you or not. Okay, compared to you. So this activity is in your homework, and the remaining activity 4 that we will continue in our next video. Okay, so that's all for the day students. Have a good day.